What if someone had accidentally turned on the garbage disposal while he was down there? What about that?
I would not have let that happen.
You let him go down the drain.
He wanted to go.
Well, if Martha wanted to go up the chimney or George wanted to go into the toilet, would you let them?
Eleanor, I love Stuart as much as you do. I just don't happen to be quite as...
Emotional? Irrational? What were you going to say?
I forget.
I know I'm being overprotective. It's just... I can't stand the idea of Stuart getting hurt.
I'm sorry, Stuart.
People sure like your meatloaf.
Did you find the ring?
Everything but.
Hey, has anyone seen Margot? I can't find her anywhere.
Maybe she just went for a walk or a little flight around the neighborhood.
Yeah, maybe. But why didn't she leave me her pin?
You know, Stuart, Margot was kind of a free spirit. Maybe she just felt it was time to go.
Without even saying goodbye.